Hello students, today we are going to discuss the topic structure of neuron cell. Neuron. Neuron or nerve cells are the structural and functional unit of nervous system. It having three components. First is cell body or cyton, second is dendrons and dendrites, third is axon. These are the three components which make the neuron cell. First, we discuss the cell body. It contains nucleus, various cell organelles, rod-shaped and spherical shaped mitochondria, Golgi apparatus, RAR, rough endoplasmic reticulum, granules, structures like Nissls granules. And these Nissls bodies or these Nissl granules mainly rich in the RAR. That means ribosomes. And main function of these granules is to synthesize the protein. And most important thing is that in cell body is devoid of centrioids, which helps in the division in the cell body. And second one is cytoplasm is granular, and the cytoplasm of the cell body is called neuroplasm. Nucleus is large, nucleolus is prominent. Second one is dendrites. Dendrites. The cell body bears a short distance process called dendrites, and the main function of these dendrites are to receive the message from the other cells. Third one is axon, a long fiber distance and which is branched to. Branches, the each branches is terminate as a bulb-like structure. Bulb-like structure called synaptic knobs, which possess a synaptic vessels, and these vessels which contain the chemicals called neurotransmitters, and these neurotransmitters are chemically in nature which help in to transfer the signal from one neuron to the another neuron. And the main function of this axon is to pass away the message from the cell body to other neurons, rather the muscles or the other glands. And this message in the form of nerve impulse, that is called electrical signal, which is travel down the axon and passes in the form of chemical like neurotransmitters. Cytoplasm of the axon is called exoplasm. Later we will discuss the cell body cytoplasm is called neuroplasm, and in the axon cytoplasm is called exoplasm. And in the cell body devoid, हमने याद किया था पिछली बार, devoid of centrioles, and in here the devoid of Nissl granules and the Golgi complex. Now the function of the axon. The axon transmit nerve impulse away from the cell body to the synapse or to the neuromuscular junction. Now we discuss the based on the number of axons and dendrites. The neurons are divided into five types. One is unipolar neuron, cell body with one axon only. Mainly this kind of unipolar neuron found in the embryonic stage. Second one is bipolar, cell body with one axon and one dendrite, mainly found in the retina of eye, olfactory cells, sensory cells of ear. Third one is apolar neuron, cell body neither dendrite nor axon, mainly found in the neuroblast or immature embryonic nerve cells. Fourth one is pseudo-unipolar neuron. Cell body bears a single process which bifurcates to form an axon and a dendrite. Mainly this kind of pseudo-unipolar neuron found in sensory or dorsal root neurons of spinal ganglia. Last is multipolar neuron, cell body with one axon or two or more dendrites, mainly found in cerebral cortex and ganglia of autonomic nervous system. Now, there are two types of axon. One is myelinated and another is non-myelinated. and myelinated also known as medullated and non-myelinated also known as non-medullated. Myelinated. First we discuss the myelinated. Myelinated nerve fiber is enveloped with the Schwann cells which form a myelin sheath around the axon, and the gap between the two adjacent myelin sheaths are called node of Ranvier. Myelinated sheath fiber found in the spinal and cranial nerves, and myelinated fibers are 50 times more efficient in impulse conduction than the non-myelinated fibers. Next is non-myelinated. It is enclosed in by Schwann cell but doesn't contain myelinated sheet around the axon. Non-myelinated nerve fiber mainly found in the autonomous and somatic neural system. And one note is non-myelinated fiber appear grayish and myelinated fiber appear whitish. Thank you for watching my video. Please press like button and comment in the comment section.